अस्सलाम वालेकुम डियर स्टूडेंट्स, उम्मीद है आप खैरियत से होंगे। आज हम पीरियोडिक टेबल में एलिमेंट्स की स्टडी करेंगे। तो आज का एलिमेंट है हाइड्रोजन।
Hydrogen is the chemical element with the chemical symbol H and atomic number is 1 and its atomic mass is 1.00794. Hydrogen is the lightest element on the periodic table. Its monoatomic form of hydrogen is the most abundant chemical substance in the universe, constituting roughly 75% of all baryonic mass.
पीरियोडिक टेबल में हल्के से हल्का एलिमेंट हाइड्रोजन है
और इसका मोनोएटमिक फॉर्म यानी सिंगल एटम वाला पूरी कायनात में सबसे ज़्यादा पाया जाता है, तकरीबन 75%. Now discuss the more about hydrogen. Overview of hydrogen is its Latin name is hydrogenium and its English name is hydrogen. Hydrogen was discovered by Henry Cavendish in 1766. This is the structure of hydrogen atom. In this structure you can see the only one electron that is present in the first shell K is orbiting around the nucleus and other shells are empty. So this hydrogen atom containing one electron, one proton and no neutron in its atom, no neutron in its nucleus. Now discuss the properties of hydrogen. Its atomic number is 1. Its atomic weight or relative atomic mass or molar mass is 1.0079 gram per mole and its density is 0.00008988 gram per cm cube. Its melting point is minus 259.16 centigrade and boiling point is minus 252.879 centigrade. Its state or phase is gas. It is in a gaseous form and valence electron is 1. In the periodic table, it is present in the period number 1 and group is first A group and block is S block, and this is its emission spectra. Now discuss the atomic properties. Electronic configuration is 1s1. Oxidation states, when it is atom, its oxidation state is 0. When it gain electron, it becomes -1. When it loses electron, its valency is +1. Ion charge, hydrogen -1 and hydrogen +1. The ionization potential of a hydrogen atom is 13.53 electron volt. Atomic radius is 53 picometer and covalent radius is 32 picometer. Now discuss the reactivity. Electronegativity is 2.2. Valence electrons are 1. Electron affinity 72.769 kilojoule per mole. Now discuss the electromagnetic properties. Magnetic type is diamagnetism. Means hydrogen is a diamagnetic because in hydrogen molecule electrons are in pair. Now discuss the Guild parameters. Crystal structure. Crystal structure is hexagonal. Its Guild parameters: A is equal to 3.780 angstrom and C is equal to 6.167 angstrom. Its attitude is 1.631. अब डिस्कस करते हैं कि हाइड्रोजन कहाँ पे और कितना कायनात में फैला हुआ है. Now discuss the prevalence of hydrogen. Universe contain hydrogen at the rate of 75%, Sun contain at the rate of 71%, and ocean contain at the rate of 11%. Human body contains hydrogen at the rate of 9.5 to 9.98%, and the earth crust contain 0.14%, and meteorites consist of hydrogen at the rate of 2.4%. Now discuss the isotopes of hydrogen. There are 3 isotopes of hydrogen: hydrogen 1, hydrogen 2, hydrogen 3. Hydrogen 1 is also known as protium, and hydrogen 2 is known as deuterium, and hydrogen 3 is known as tritium. Mass number 1, mass number 2 and mass number 3 respectively.